Hi guys, welcome back to Lems HQ. My name is Devin, and today we're going to be talking about the brand new Primal Pursuit Mid Waterproof. The Primal Pursuit Mid Waterproof features a fully gusseted tongue to keep rocks and debris out of your shoe when you're hiking in the wild. Also, it will keep your feet dry as it features a fully waterproof and breathable membrane and a rubberized outsole with flex screws to increase the shoe's flexibility. This will allow you to get really good grip and durability when you're out on uneven terrain. Another reason you're gonna love the Primal Pursuit Mid Waterproof is that they feature our signature wide toe box and they are built on a zero drop platform from heel to toe. The Primal Pursuit Mid Waterproof is available now in two sick colors, the Mercury Rising and the Juniper.